Hello, Super Kids! Welcome to Super Kids Fit. Today we're going to move, stretch, and have lots of fun together. Get ready to feel strong and happy. Take a big, deep breath. Let's begin.
Stand tall like a strong mountain, feet together, arms by your sides. Stay still and feel powerful. Reach your arms up to the sky. Stretch your whole body like you're growing super tall. Bend forward and let your head hang down. Relax like a soft noodle. Lift your back halfway up. Look forward like a curious little explorer. Step back and make your body straight like a strong plank. Keep your tummy tight. Bend your arms and go low, like a flying superhero. Stay strong. Lift your chest up like a happy snake. Smile and open your heart. Lift your hips up high. Make a triangle with your body like a playful puppy. balance on your bottom, and lift your legs. Be a strong little boat on the water. Sit back, rest your head down, and relax. Take a quiet moment like a sleepy bunny.
Great job, Super Kids! You did amazing today! If you had fun, subscribe to Super Kids Fit so you don't miss any fun routines. Bye-bye!